Hi, this is Debbie with the Food Prepping channel, and today I'm coming to you after taking a vacation. I have been on YouTube for about 7 to 8 years now, and I have almost 800 videos on my channel, and I've got videos from different places that I've gone. I've got videos of canning things. I've got videos of southern recipes. I've got keto recipes. I've got videos about my diabetes. If you're new to my channel, there's a little bit of everything here. I'm 62 years old. I have 4 children, 5 grandchildren, and I just do YouTube. I'm disabled. I'm in a wheelchair, and I have diabetes, and of course, as you can see, I'm overweight, so there's that. I was in a car wreck in 1992 and hurt my back, and in the process of that, I got arthritis in both hips and my back, and it's pretty much taken over my life. And so anyway, what I did was I was on keto, and I'm sure if you're doing any kind of dieting, you know about keto. Well, I decided at around Thanksgiving, well, let me go back. My 24-year-old daughter wrecked her car in November and totaled it, and they came back to live with me, and she at the time had a 6-month-old baby. She's 8 months old now, and Journey, my granddaughter, and then she had my 5-year-old who's now 6, my grandson Caden, and they were staying here with me. It was Thanksgiving, and I really just wanted to take a break from keto and YouTube. So that's what I did. And of course, I'm sure I haven't even weighed. I don't want to know, but I'm sure that I've gained a lot of weight. I haven't taken my blood sugars. I'm going to do that from here on out, because I do have to get back on keto. So starting today, I am pretty much on keto again. And if you know anything about keto, you know that you can't have bread or pasta or rice or beans or corn or potatoes, all the things that we all love. You can have lots of meat. You can have good vegetables, which I still like good vegetables too. So broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, cauliflower. I'm not so much into cauliflower, but I'm having to try to like it a little bit so I can get some semblance to potatoes with cauliflower. So you're going to be seeing a lot of videos. Up until right now, I've been doing videos, but around Thanksgiving, I didn't do keto, so there'll be videos on here of things that I made that aren't keto. There'll be keto recipes on here, because I've been taping videos, but I haven't put any on since November. I hope y'all missed me. And you'll come back and start watching my videos again. I've missed all of y'all. If you're not familiar with my channel, then let me tell you, I do have a Facebook group, and I think there's 1,800 members there or whatever, and I really would like to get people on the Facebook group that like to talk and would like to be able to help with the group and just talk about things and get conversations started. My daughter's still here, my grandchildren are still here, so it's kind of hectic around here, but I do want to come back to y'all, and we're gonna start the new year over right, and I'm gonna be doing more videos and different types of videos and get into more things with you about keto and all. But I did want to tell you what's been going on and why. Hold on, let me get a drink of my drink. I'm thirsty. Okay. And why I haven't been here, what's been going on. When my daughter wrecked her car, by the way, nobody got hurt, but it did total her car. So she has a lot of appointments she has to go to and take Journey to the doctor and stuff like that. And they were living about 40 minutes away from me, but now they're back here, and I think they're going to be going back to Rocky Mount soon. I'm not really sure. But anyway, she's with me, and then my 42-year-old daughter, she lives a block away from me. And I live on a farm. It's a 600-acre horse farm. So in the field behind me, there's cows, there's many donkeys, there's many horses. I'm surrounded by all different kinds of animals. I think it's 400 and some animals around here. But anyway, I hope that you'll come along with me and decide to go through this keto journey with me. I really like keto. It's just kind of hard to start back when you're, with no bread, no potatoes, blah, 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 all the stuff that you can't have on keto. So anyway, I'm going to get off here. I've got to do some prepping for the weekend. We're getting ready to have snow this weekend. I'm excited about that because that means that Caden and Josh and Kayla will be able to go out and play in the snow together and ride the four-wheeler, and I love watching them ride the four-wheeler in the snow. So I'll be bringing y'all along on some of that, and I hope you have a good day, and look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and different other things, and I will talk to you later. Bye.